General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.4.1 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the work. Play the fourth. Still left this low. It's not a good swing low. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, some just unfinished business on these lows. I still like this high for the target for both, really. We don't need it to get the liquidity. This one already got it. We need this here. We need this here. But after we take the liquidity, I still think we need more sales. And we'll keep that here. See what happened today. We got us overnight low. Interesting how we came back to this deviation and kind of reused it. Took out Monday's high. Can sell here if we get a reaction. Didn't really get a reaction. I like to see a wick and an explosion. Today's price action, the market open, we just had that one good push. Higher does make sense. I would want to see price respect something up here before it gets back to this new week opening gap. because that'll get boring. Like low hanging fruit there. This is the high. Bam. Yeah. I don't want to see a 50% retracement here. I kind of want to see price go a little bit higher, maybe run this low and bounce off of Monday's high. Because we get back up under these lows, then I'll be looking for lower prices. November's low or something. It's expansion day. Engage. Medium confidence. Telling the war drama is kind of pretty much over. No tweets or nothing crazy. And we haven't really seen no Iran attack that was like scary or anything. So things seem like they're under control. Let's see here. This is us retesting this Tuesday low too for the anchor point. So this should hold. Yeah, I don't think we need this. Just from here, I think we can go. But I think it's Tuesday. Yes. No. Let's get this chart. And don't even got the box on it. Full reactions. Buys off of Monday's high. Mm, hit it fresh. We got us a cool little reaction. And we got us a fresh gap here. So a bounce here does make sense. This Monday's high here, but coming down here, don't look that bad. Under close, London low, previous week's high, or yeah, previous week's high target. I like the FUG buy from for higher prices. It's better discount. To the daily. Yeah, higher just makes sense. For higher prices Thursday. Target daily. There's that move, boom, boom. Hold on. Thursday, February 26th. Last Thursday open price. Okay. SPX. It looked pretty smooth today, but we got like a daily S&T because it didn't take the highs that Nasdaq did. Yeah, we got this high, but we didn't get this high. So here we go. Another daily S&T be proper. Okay. But we are at 2026 open price. So we're still kind of in the same area as far as percentage. Know the daily S&T, but I also know the relation to 2026 open price on SPX. We are above, on Nasdaq, we below. Way below too. Kind of like the same gap here. And it look like we still in a new week opening gap too. but I don't know. I know we can hit previous week's high. And then this is last Friday's high. Last Friday high is my low-hanging fruit. Check this. I love notes. Yeah, stick with it. High prices and chop before NFP. All right, that's that on that. You have a good day. Peace.